The other side has talking points. Who's the other side? The teachers' unions and the people who are in the pockets of the teachers' unions. They have talking points like stay home, save lives. The classroom isn't a laboratory. My life shouldn't be at risk just by going to work. All the cliches that we've seen that people use to justify the unscientific, the unsupported closing of our schools. Can you guys hear me okay? Can you guys hear me? All right, let me take this thing off. Hold on. Okay. Is that better? I hope so. So I'm going to do one thing that I rarely do, that I try to really never do on any of these videos. I'm going to read something because I sent a statement to the leadership of the Bordentown Regional School District following the Board of Education meeting last night concerning the search for a new superintendent. And the reason why I said we don't need talking points, or the other side uses talking points, we don't need them, because we have science on our side. We have data. We have statistics on our side. So here's some of the science, data, and statistics that I was kind enough to share with the Board of Education, with the current superintendent, and with Principal Geibel of Peter Mutual School in Bordentown. So here's what I'm going to read. The CDC recently came out with a statement, and they've been pretty consistent with these statements, that says in-person learning in schools has not been associated with substantial community transmission. And I'm going to back this up. I'm going to send you guys a PDF link in the comments to the email that I sent the school leadership. The British Medical Journal, closing schools, this is their quote, closing schools is not evidence-based and harms children. And again, there's going to be a link to these articles. Then Tulane University, a prestigious university down in Louisiana, New Orleans, I believe. The effects of school reopenings on COVID-19 hospitalizations found that in most of the United States, school openings do not increase coronavirus hospitalizations. And teachers generally don't seem at greater risk than people in other occupations. So that's it. The other side has talking points. We have science, we have facts, we have data, we have statistics. Be well, guys. Keep advocating. Keep up the fight.